town. My friend left me for a few hours. He stayed on the island, Brač, because when I was on my way back to the ferry, his friend wrote him that she needs photos. She's writing a book about Croatian history or something like that. And he will stay to take photos for that book, which is actually a very lovely story. But I was already running not to miss the ship because I wanted to see the old town of Split today also. So we decided to split. We had a split and split. And we will meet later in the evening. Okay, let's go to the ancient walls and pillars and palaces. Check this out, there is Luxor, some kind of bar, and their seats are just these things right here on the steps. Oh, and they already have the best guest ever. So all beautiful places I'm walking now are part of Diocletian Palace. This thing behind me is a Roman vestibule, and then there is kind of a courtyard right behind it. It's really cool. I really like walking these places, the pillars, the history, the small details, even the ruined parts, they kind of add to the history. This is so cool. Just imagine how big area this is, how many things there were in this Diocletian palace before. As one can figure out from the name of it, this ancient palace was built for the Roman Emperor Diocletian. He spent his last years here, where he also died, in this very palace, most likely of a peaceful natural death. These beautiful remainings used to be part of a magnificent complex that served as an imperial palace and a sea fortress. The whole area was about 3,000 square meters. By the way, the palace is mostly built from a limestone of a local island, Brač. I love how you walk streets that look similar as other streets and look at the house that looks similar to other houses, but if you look closer and you check these boards, I was talking about the info boards, you can suddenly read that, hey, this is a palace that was built for some kind of king, and then you look closer and you notice coats of arms, and this is really cool. It's like small details that actually bring out the history. But this is not that usual street. No streets here are usual. This is very old town with lots of history behind it. This is Marko Marulić, a father of Croatian literature. He wrote a famous Judith poem here in Split in 1501. This is when he chose the language of his people and wrote the first Croatian epic in a local dialect, when all his scholar work was written in Latin and Church Slavonic. This is when Split, through Marulic, became not only a city of stone, but also a city of voice. And this is Gregory of Nin, who advocated for Croatian language in churches instead of Latin, and had to face opposition from the church authorities. You might think why his toe looks like that. His toe looks like that because people believe that if you touch it and make a wish, your wish will come true. And it does look very polished. And now I'm walking Riva, which is like the main promenade. I don't know why, but it reminds me of Lisbon. Maybe because of that building over there, I don't know. You tell me. And Riva ends in this fountain. So darlings, I was watching Riva and I checked Google Maps and it shows that just 10 minutes forward is a cat point. Let me show you. So I'm walking right here now and let's look over there. The Great Cat Spot. And there is another one. Kitten Spot. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my god, I have no idea what that is, but I gotta check out now, right? I'm so going. I can see the first kitty cat. Oh, and other kitty cats. Oh my god, there's many. So there are a lot of kitty cats. I'm so sorry I didn't bring any food. I shall do that next time. I don't know where this leads. There is some kind of park here. Let's discover. These stairs seem endless. Okay, there's something there. Maybe a restaurant or something. Oh, the views. You can see a little bit of the town and the sea already. Let's go up, let's go up.
Oh my god, my hair.
More kitty cats. So this even continues further up. So I checked the map, there is a big park that starts way over there, and I don't really have time now to explore it. If I will have time some other day, I would probably come again and bring cat food this time. But now I gotta go back and meet my friend who will arrive from the island very soon. Let's check the views last time. It's really nice. You can see all the towers from here. And I gotta go back over there to the port to meet my friend. We found German Art Center Gallery. Let's see what it is. Right. This is really cool. I wish I had more money to buy something.
Jabaman.
Jamaman. Is it Jama or
There's
Yama?
you know there's Jabaman.
No.
This one is Yamaman.
Who is Jamaman?
Yaman. Jabaman.
We're trying
Oh.
cevapi in a place that got TripAdvisor best reviews for many years in a row, and they're like for 10 years here already, and they're so good. We took a big one, that's half this, and the small one was like €5 and the big one €8.50. Good stuff. What was this red stuff?
Ivar. Ivar.
It's so good.
Oh, this is good.
We found a very shady place. It's so dark. We passed and we thought there is nothing here, and then Carlo asked some workers there where is the place, and they said just there behind the corner.
10 meters.
Yeah.
It was just there.
It was just so dark.
Shady place for
Very
shady,
shady.
people.
They have their own beer, so we're trying Ruby, and it looks pretty light, but it's very bitter. And also Ale, which is also a little bit bitter, but less bitter, and also a little bit sweet. I am literally spending my last hours in Split, and I am on a way to feed the kitty cats. This time I have the food. I actually wished I had half a day to walk all the hill, all the way up, but I had big problems with buses, going to Kirka and back. Check that story out if you are interested to know what happened. But now the sun is already setting as I arrived back to Split, and I don't have much time until it's dark. But luckily I'm bringing food to the cats, so they will not eat me in the darkness. They will eat food. Oh, I so need cat therapy now after what happened. Thank you, darlings, for watching, following my adventures in Split and in Brač, and see you somewhere else. Bye. I am almost at the airport. Just wanted to say that there are these shuttle buses that cost 10 euros to the airport. But also there is a public bus, number 37, that costs just 3 euros, but takes twice more. But I took that one because I'm on a budget. So for any budget travelers, maybe that could be useful. Bye!